Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the case and GPU clearances. This avoids surprises later. Put on an anti-static wrist strap and remove the side panel, then power down and unplug the PSU. Once done, remove any adjacent PCIe slot covers and check the slot alignment so the bracket will sit flat. Now loosely install standoffs or position the GPU support bracket where it bears on the card. This first placement prevents sag and makes the following tightening steps straightforward. Once the bracket is positioned, start securing it with the recommended screws. Tighten incrementally so you can adjust. You want the support to contact near the GPU center of mass, not press on the PCB or capacitors. Make small, alternating turns on any leveling screws to achieve a 0.5 to 1 mm clearance. This prevents stress. If needed, insert thin shims or rubber pads to distribute pressure evenly. Afterward, verify backplate alignment and ensure the PCIe connector seats with no upward strain. You finish by reinstalling the GPU and tightening the slot screws to secure it. Reconnect the 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power cables as needed. Then boot the system and monitor temperatures, clock stability, and visual artifacts. This confirms mechanical support didn't stress the card. If you see sag, noise, or instability, power down, loosen the bracket, relevel with shims or different screws, and reseat the GPU. Finally, make sure all connectors are firm. This resolves most bracket installation issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.